Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 11T Pro, and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now let's tap on About Phone. As you can see here, we've got a backup and restore option, so simply tap on it and let's scroll down to the Google Backup section. And as you can see, we've got the option Backup Account, so we can tap on it. If for some reason you cannot tap on it, as you can see right now it is inactive, it means that the Backup My Data option is off, so simply tap on it, tap on the switcher, and we can enter the backup account. So let's tap on it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Let's tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so just tap on it, and here we've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the backup and storage info and the shortcut of it, so let's tap on accept because we here will find it out on this, let's say, better configuration. So here we've got the information about the backup, so you can use 15 GB of Google account to store apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can enter more details and read about that. What's more, we've got the information that your device will back up data automatically, will store it securely, and manage the backup easily, so you can turn it off or on, you can view details and so on. So if you would like to turn on the backup right now, just tap on turn on. If not, just tap on not now. And if for example after, I don't know, few minutes or hours you decide that you want to enter, that you want to turn on the backup, just tap on backup account again, pick the backup account, and as you can see we just got back to this particular step, so just tap on turn on, and here we've got the backup account added, and the backup is turned on, obviously. What's more, here you've got the option automatic restore, so you can turn it off or on, and it means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will restore backed up data. So actually this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi 11T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.